Hello friends, in this video I'll discuss how to do panel regression in Stata and how to do the Hausman test to select between uh, fixed effect model and random effect panel data model. Uh, so friends, in the last videos we discussed how to do fixed effect model, random effect model and some other commands. Those are used and most useful while conducting panel analysis in Stata. So in this I am simply discussing how to do Hausman test. So I assume that you know how to run fixed effect and random effect model that I had discussed in my earlier video. So here I will show how to do Hausman test, and simply I am mentioning only how to do it functionally. I'm not talking about nitty-gritty and statistics here. If you want to go further, you can go and check the books. Simply how to use Hausman test and conclude about your uh, inferences. Okay, friends. So first of all, as literature says, we have to mention what is your null hypothesis of Hausman test. So friends, Hausman test null hypothesis says random effect model is an appropriate model. An alternative hypothesis says no, random effect is not. Fixed effect model is appropriate. Okay, friends, simply the process of Hausman test is first we run fixed effect model, and whatever the values we get, we simply estimate the model as FE, and then we run random effect model and estimate the values we get there as RE, and then do Hausman test fixed effect versus random effect, and our null hypothesis is random effect model is an appropriate model against the alternative of fixed effect model is more appropriate as compared to random. Okay, so how to do it? We'll do in Stata. Uh, this is my data, friends. Here are data for 6 airlines A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and there are some variables for 15 years. Uh, 15 years for cost, output, fuel, and load. Don't go in the deeper side, friends. We have four variables. Uh, 15 uh, years of data for 6 airlines. So first of all, we need to show and mention and declare the panel in Stata. So how to do that, friends? We have to tell Stata, first of all, you have imported data, you have data here, and then you have to just the data we are having for airline is in string variable. We are converting it in numeric variable by using group command. I had shown in my earlier video. Okay, it has already, I have done already, that's why it's not taking it. And then we have to mention by using xt set command and just declare our panel. So here what we are doing using xt set command, that set time panel, then mention our cross section and time series, airline 1 and year, and frequency yearly. Now it knows the data we are running is panel data. So friends, I want to run regression between, suppose I say two variables only, not multivariate. You can do it if you want. For explanation part, I am taking only two variables. Commands I have already written here. So suppose I say this is my model xtreg, xtreg regression command, dependent cost, independent output, and then I'm using command fixed effect. Already I had mentioned in my earlier video. Do this, and then whatever the values you get, simply store as command store fixed effect estimate. The command you will write here is estimate space store space fe. You are storing the fixed effect model. Then you will run random effect model. Friends, we have run fixed effect and storage the value stored the value. Now we'll do random effect model. Then we will store the values of random effect model similarly. Now we have stored fixed effect and random effect model. So now we'll conduct Hausman test. uh, the command is Hausman, Hausman, Hausman test between fixed effect that we had stored against RE, the two we had stored. So Hausman space fe space re and run it. So here the friends, I need to mention the null is random effect model is appropriate model. But here we are getting a p-value that is 0.00. It means friends, we have to reject the null hypothesis and we cannot say random effect model is an appropriate model. But we have to reject the null in favor of alternative hypothesis and we conclude that fixed effect model is appropriate in this case. So here friends, the rule of thumb is if we reject the null, we have to use fixed model. Otherwise, random effect model is an appropriate model. Friends, if you have any query, any problem, please let me know. I will try to answer that to my level best. Thanks friends. Keep watching.